Okay, welcome guys. Today we are going to unboxing something inside the package. Okay, now we will cut the package and open. Okay, as you guys can see here, this is RCB. This is the hologram of RCB Racing Boy. www.racingboy.com.my, and here you can see. Let's check it out. What's inside the box? Okay, assistant, give me the scissors. Okay, let's take the scissors.
Suddenly the Lazada uncle come and I don't know who is this cutting this box. I don't know open the door, lock like this. Lazada uncle call me to open. Okay. We are doing work time. People cannot call. We are doing work one. Papa nice, Papa doing. Later I be ready, help you, okay? Be ready, I help you to cut scissors. Why our baby crying? Why Papa our baby crying? Why Papa our baby crying?
Hungry, I think. Okay, let's see guys here. Okay, so this is Racing Boy clip-on for Yamaha R25 or Yamaha R3. Okay, there's a soft foam here.
My present is here.
Under the foam,
Papa, my present is
there's
here. Papa,
foam.
Papa, my present is here, Papa.
There's a RCB sticker, Racing Boy.
This is sticker. Like tape, look.
That one's a sticker lah. Sticker. Okay, this one is the clip-on handlebar.
Okay, my present is here. Papa, my present is
Wait,
here.
boy.
Papa, my
Okay,
present
there's
is
another one.
Papa, my present is here. My present
Wait,
is
boy.
Got my present.
Another one is here.
My present.
Okay.
Papa.
But there's a little scratch here.
But this is kotak. Pasal nak do what?
Don't cut another one.
Sana this, Papa. Actually. Sana see what? Oh, serious or what?
The finishing is very nice, guys.
Pa,
Lah, yeah, you take lah.
Do what? That's no, Papa.
You can play. Okay.
Play what? Who
There
this
is
one?
a D41 R2. Maybe this right one. This L2.
Pa.
Maybe this left one. This the right one.
Painting, huh?
For the clip-on handlebar, there's no labeling. So that's all, guys, for today. So in the next video, I'll be installing this on my bike. Okay, take care. See you. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Please support my channel, guys. Bye.